Hey Rico, what are you doing?
What? No, I'm just doing my physics homework.
Can I get a ride to my doctor's? I need a ride.
Alright.
Well, let's go.
First, let me tell you about my keys.
Alright.
You see, there are two forces acting on my keys. There's the force of gravity and normal force. To find the force of gravity, we measured how much the keys weigh and multiplied it by gravity. And we found out that it's negative 2.26 newtons. And normal force balances out with that, so it's positive 2.26 newtons.
Alright, let's go.
Alright. Hey, let's go. What are you doing?
I'm just looking for my shoe. I think okay, it's right there. I was doing my physics homework as well, and I was trying to find the force of tension here, also with the force of gravity. I know that the force of gravity is negative 4.45 newtons because the shoe weighs 1 pound.
Yeah. So
the tension, because it's divided between two of them, force of tension 1 and tension 2 are equal. They're both 2.225 newtons because that is half of the force of gravity, so they balance out.
Alright,
let's go. Are you ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, well, what do you got there?
Door.
What do you got there?
Just the four forces acting on this car.
Alright.
There's force of gravity, which is negative 20,602.3 newtons, which balances out with a normal force, which is 20,602.3 newtons. There's also kinetic force acting on this car, which is negative 18,542 newtons. This balances out with the force of the car, which is 18,542 newtons. Because of this, two forces balancing, the car is moving at a constant rate.
All right, let's do it then. All right, let's go.
All right, let's go.
I think we're out of gas. I thought you were gonna fill it up.
I thought you filled it up yesterday.
Well, I guess we gotta go get out and push it now, at least to a spot.
All right, let's go.
Man, this sucks.
Yeah, I know, this car's really hard to push.
Well, I can explain to you why it's hard to push. All right. You see, we already know the force of gravity because we talked about it earlier, and it balances out with the normal force. However, now on the x-axis, we have applied force, mine and yours. They're both the same. We're both exerting the same amount, which is 9,271 newtons. That balances out with the kinetic force over here.
Really?
Yep, it does. Well, I guess enough of that. We should just get back to pushing.
Or we can go back home. You don't need to go to the hospital.
I mean, I'm gonna cancel that anyways. Let's just push this to a parking spot. I see one right there.
If I take another one down, I'ma drown in some poison, abusing my limit. I think that I'm feeling the vibe. I see the love in her eyes.